Hi, I'm Heidi with WTI.
This laundry hamper by Herture is such a great addition to any bedroom. Not only does it fit into any little space, but you can also have it as a night table if you want, because it has this beautiful hard surface made out of wood that you can put anything on it. I like the fact that they gave you the option to have wheels or feet so that with the wheels it easily moves, but with the feet you can have it stay in one spot. I love the idea that it has 3 different baskets because then you can put your lights, mediums, and darks. But then the baskets are actually quite large, so you can put quite a bit of laundry in them. This laundry hamper is definitely a game changer in helping me keep my laundry organized and sorted, and I just love how it looks in my bedroom.
And that's my point of view.